Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan. Yes, another great day for me. Yeah, it's been a good week. Today's the last day of the month. I only had a few days of red day for this month, like probably two or three. So yeah, today was a pretty good day, very short-term trade. I shorted AAL right at the daily level when I saw that it has like large bids. So I'm going to show it to you later why I decided to take AAL instead. But I was kind of like looking at the pre-market. It was like selling off crazy and it was too far from VWAP. So I said maybe I'm going to take it long if it holds 1175 all the way to 12. And 12 is kind of my number, but the thing is it went up all the way to 12 and then held. So I said okay, then it's still probably short. So I have I have risk around $12 area. So it moved about 30 cents before I entered, 25 cents. So I was risking that much, and look what happened. Oh my god. Yeah, so I was telling you, right? If it holds this 1175, it goes back. I'm probably gonna have it long. But the thing is, yeah, it was. You never know what's gonna happen, right? So I was like watching 1175. There were signs that it's gonna drop, so I immediately took it short before the 1 minute candle finishes. So in my list, I have what's this? CCL. Yeah, CCL. Let's look at CCL. Come on, sorry about that. So CCL was yeah, good thing I did not trade CCL. It was a bit too far from VWAP because AAL went all the way to VWAP around this area, but CCL did failed. So I did not really trade it. And yeah, look at those levels. I love these yellow lines. So yellow lines represent with large orders that I see in the pre-market. This is the kind of trick that I'm doing now to measure where the buyers and sellers will show. So I saw this in level 2 before the market opens, and I just draw them. Next was Twitter. I did not trade Twitter, but because it's too far from VWAP. But Twitter was not bad, but it opened green. You could have it long here, risk somewhere 26.41 or here, probably low of day. Imagine if you take it long, then all the way up. So it's about $1 move. So that's not bad. But the thing is, it's a gap down stock. It's too far from VWAP, so it's probably a good long, good way too long. And if you look at yes, so yeah, it's been selling off hard. So I think long is probably the good one. I was actually long biased to this one, but I was on CCL. So not CCL, AAL. So yeah, let's watch my trade. It's gonna be a quick one, so be patient. I'm gonna just fast forward it twice instead of 3 times. So there you go. Market opens. So Twitter had about 800,000 volume. So as you can see, let's look at the other ones. What's this? CCL has about 1.9. AAL, this is Twitter, has 900,000. And 2.1 million at AAL. So my eyes was stuck in there because of the volume. And other ones 1.1, 2.2, and there you go, Twitter. So let's probably rewind this a little bit because it was too early before I entered. Sorry about that. So there you go. As you can see, I saw an order here at 1175, right? So it's kind of hovering around that area. Sorry about that. So that's where I immediately entered. I was too early. So I entered 1175. And I still see a lot of big orders here. So it's like, ooh, it's kind of moving without me. So 1175. Come on. Risking $12. Took a little bit, just a little bit, because I thought it's gonna go back. There you go. Come on, a little bit more. I was just taking 10%. Just to ease myself. I thought it's gonna go back, so I put in my average cost. My average cost is 11.73. I almost got stopped, but I know I got lucky. I was actually 2 cents late. I was hoping to get 11.75. So there you go. That's what I was expecting. Let's go to 11.50. Come on, I see orders 11.50. It's coming. There you go. Come on, 11.50. So I took another 10% in there. Come on, 11.50. Yep, there you go. Took another 10%. Because I was hoping for a big move. Come on. It's too far from VWAP, so it'll be hard to get a big move. So yeah, so I took half in there because it was just not dropping at all, and I don't want to risk. And then it's too far from VWAP; it can easily go back to 11.75. So I took half in there. Yeah. So I'm looking for 3 digits again. I see more in here. I see here. I see some in here. 1160 area. So 1160 is the key level. So there's a yellow line in here. It means there's buyers and sellers. There should be buyers and sellers in there. So the red ones are daily levels. So good thing I took some off there because it wasn't breaking 1148 or 1150. So I took some in there because I thought it's gonna squeeze back to 1175. So my stop is 1173. So I told myself I'm gonna add if it doesn't make new highs at 1168 area. So I was closely watching the level 2, 66, 66, 68, 63. Then I added. When I saw that it dropped, the price dropped. So I added whatever I have left to make a double, to double my my last shares left. 768. So I'm just gonna get out at 1160 or at 68 somewhere if it makes new 1 minute high. So there you go. That's my add, because there was a yellow line here, so that's where I probably should have add. So I've taken half of what I have left. There was another good profit in there. Come on, let's take some more off. I should wait 1136. Yeah, I took most of my profit. Most of my shares here. Oh man, this could have been a. I should have waited, but you know what? It was too close to my entry, so I didn't want to risk. So I'm almost all out. With my last shares in here. It's a pretty good move. So I said, okay, I did hit my goal. I'm just gonna stop trading. So there's a lot of daily levels in here. So no, it's probably the last. It's probably not gonna drop anymore. It's too far from VWAP. There's lots of daily levels in here, so I know it's not gonna drop. So good thing I took some off in there. Even though my average cost is somewhere here, I just put it around a round number because this is a level as well. So I'll just put it somewhere here. I was actually thinking of adding if it holds 50. But yeah, it wasn't selling off. There's a lot of daily levels here, so it'll be hard to sell off. Yeah. Let's fast forward this a bit because I got stopped. Yeah, so I was actually thinking of adding somewhere there but I got stopped. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm done for the day. Yeah, and look what happened. Went all the way up. So imagine, it was too far from VWAP. So that's why I was very careful not to lose any of my profit, not to to take partial, because if I entered here right at the open, then it's probably good. I can probably sell it more. But the thing is, look at that. I know AAL is powerful. I have a long trade, long-term position in AAL, so I'm still holding it. I haven't taken any profit. So I was buying AAL since right around this area. It's still not. I think I was buying around this area. Slowly buying it, and then maybe I'll take some off at $16 or 17 around this area. Yeah. So CCL as well. I have like a long-term trade. I bought it somewhere around $12. Yeah, around here. I bought some here, bought some here. I did not take anything in there. Bought here and bought here, and I took some off yesterday. It was a really good profit. So yeah, maybe I hold my last share up to whenever, because the profit I had yesterday was pretty good. Same for SPY. I have long terms for SPY. Yeah, I know it's probably gonna go to 310, 305. Yeah, then I might take some off there if it goes. Yeah, I have some Pfizer. I have some. Yeah, Pfizer somewhere around $30. Yeah, I've been buying lots of stocks lately. Anyways, yeah, that's it. So have a good day, everyone. Even though I kind of missed this. I mean, I've made enough profit in here, so I don't really want to force, and I want to give back any of my profits. So yeah. So be patient, wait for the next day. You don't have to trade everything. Once you hit your goal, stop trading. That's what you got to do to be consistent. So yeah. So another thing that I want to share you is my P&L from Feb 2. So I had a really good run all the way up, and now I've been consistent for the past 3 months. It's kind of a restart from Feb, because I want to really be careful and follow my rules, and it's been working for me. So yeah, I mean, I don't really earn a lot, but consistency is my goal. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, and for the past 3 months, I traded about 72 winning trades and 40 losing trades. Average hold time is 17 minutes for winning trades. Average hold time for losing trades is 4 minutes. That's great. So it means I'm really following my rules, getting out if it's not working, waiting and holding if it's a winning trade. Yeah, I have max 10 consecutive wins. That's great. And 4 consecutive losses. That's great. So it's been working for me. So yeah, I'm happy with that, and I hope to be consistent and successful in the next future. I added more buying power as well since this month, so that kind of helped. I did not double my size yet, but I'm gonna slowly add shares to my current size, and let's see from that. So I'm seeing hope in here. Yeah, that's, imagine like few days of profit and then you just gave it all back. That's probably always the struggle. So what I did was, once I hit my max loss or my daily max loss, I'll just stop trading. So I have those days, and then you probably you will just don't Hulk out, just don't revenge trade, because the next day you'll probably get it back. Yeah. So yeah, it's about it, and hope you guys learned something. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer and help you out if you have anything. Great. Thank you so much, and have a good day, everyone.